there's a quiet revolution happening right now. A soft one, a beautiful one. And it's not loud or trendy or viral. It's women, just like you and me, remembering who we are, not what the world has told us to be, but who we've always been. And today, I want to tell you something that may sound simple, but it's life-changing. Femininity is not a trend. It's not seasonal. It's not a TikTok phase. It's not something you try on when it's convenient or fashionable. It is sacred. It is steady. It is our essence. So pour your tea, breathe deeply, and let's return home together. Before we begin, I want to invite you into something truly special. This video isn't just a message, it's a journey. We're going to walk through 13 elegant chapters, each one peeling back another layer of your feminine essence. And I promise you, the final sections, especially 10 through 13, are where it gets deep. They're tender, healing, and honest. And they just might make you tear up in the best way. They're my favorite part of this entire series. So please, don't skip a second. This might be the moment your heart's been waiting for. Subscribe if you haven't yet. This is only the beginning of your elegant transformation. Now, go ahead and pour your tea, settle into something soft, and let's begin. Section 1. We've been told to be everything but feminine. For years, we've been praised for being productive, efficient, tough, assertive, unemotional. The closer we could get to masculine energy, the more applause we received. And slowly, something inside of us went silent. The way we dressed began to reflect it. Oversized sweatshirts, harsh lines, aggressive branding, and no judgment at all, because many of us were just surviving. But survival mode is not where femininity lives. She lives in softness, in beauty, in breath. Section 2. What is femininity? Really? Let's redefine it, not through society's lens, but through your soul. Femininity is the grace in your movements, the warmth in your voice, the way you hold space for others without losing yourself, the soft details in your wardrobe, lace, silk, pearls, bows, the nurturing power to build a beautiful life, even in chaos. It's not weakness, it's not submission, and it certainly isn't an accessory, it's divine design. And when you wear it with confidence, the entire atmosphere changes. Section 3. How clothing helps us reconnect. You might think it's just clothes, but have you noticed how different you feel in a soft, flowing skirt versus stiff, dark jeans and a corporate blazer? Style is spiritual. It's a mirror of how we see ourselves. So let's whisper femininity through our wardrobes again. An outfit idea 1. A cream A-line midi dress with long sleeves and a soft waist tie. Add a delicate gold pendant, your hair pulled gently back, and ballet flats. Not loud, not viral, but deeply feminine. Outfit idea 2. A tweed midi skirt with a silk camisole and blush, a tweed crop jacket. Tie a satin ribbon around your ponytail. Finish with a structured handbag, classic, not oversized. Outfit idea 3. High-waist denim wide-leg trousers, sleeveless turtleneck, and tweed jacket. This is a perfect outfit that can easily go from day to night just by changing the shoes, bags, and accessories in general. These aren't costumes. They are invitations to show up as your whole self again. Comment below, what does femininity mean to you? Who taught you how to be feminine? Or are you learning now for the first time? We read every single comment, and this series was built because of you. Section 4. Real women returning. Just a few days ago, a beautiful subscriber commented, "I work at a high school where everyone wears bulky jeans and sneakers. But when I show up in a cream blouse and white trousers, they ask why I'm so dressed up. And honestly, I love it." That's what we're doing here. Another comment said, "I'm becoming my radiant self." If something doesn't align with that, I let it go. You are not alone in this return. Thousands of women are stepping back into elegance, grace, and identity. It's not just about looking put together, it's about feeling like yourself again. Section 5. Femininity is not performance, it's presence. Femininity is not a show we put on. It's not only for date nights or special occasions. And it's certainly not something reserved for being seen by others. It's how you show up in your own life. It's the way you carry a basket of fresh laundry like it's poetry. The way you sip your morning tea with grace, even when no one's watching. The way your home feels warm because your spirit is at peace. You don't need to perform femininity. You need to live it, not for approval, not for applause, but because it honors your essence. Section 6, Feminine Fall Outfit Ideas for this season. Let's make this practical and beautiful. Fall. Look 1. A wool midi skirt in soft camel, paired with a cream ribbed turtleneck and leather riding boots. Tie a silk scarf at the neck and carry a top handle bag in tan. This is a timeless look for shopping, brunch, or the office. Fall look 2. A belted sweater dress in burgundy or forest green. Add tights, almond toe pumps, and pearl earrings. It's perfect for cozy dinners, bookstores, or elegant evenings. Fall look 3. A soft pleated dress in dusty rose or oatmeal beige, paired with a trench coat and ankle boots. Add a dainty watch and nude lipstick. This is your main character energy without saying a word. Remember, softness is not seasonal. Even in fall, you can carry warmth, grace, and femininity into every outfit. Section 7. Femininity is healing. Here's what no one tells you. Being feminine is healing. It's not about getting male attention. It's not about external approval. It's about slowing down, breathing deeper, remembering that your softness is strength, and that beauty is a language your soul understands. You were never meant to blend in. You were meant to bloom. Comment below, what part of your femininity are you reclaiming this season? I am remembering who I truly am. Pin it, post it, whisper it. It's yours. Subscribe and turn on the bell is going to go even deeper. This isn't a trend. This is your return, and we're walking it together. Section 7. The return of soft power. There was a time when women's power was measured only by how much they could endure, how much they could fight, how much they could harden themselves to survive. But soft power? Soft power is the quiet confidence to walk into a room without shouting, to influence without control, to speak with clarity, not chaos. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. When you dress with elegance, carry yourself with grace, and speak with kindness, you are reclaiming a type of power the world has forgotten. And make no mistake, true feminine energy doesn't need validation to be powerful. It already is. Section 8. Feminine self-care is sacred. Let's talk about something that's often misunderstood. Self-care, in its truest form, is not indulgence. It's reverence. It's looking in the mirror in the morning and treating your skin like something precious, because it is. It's putting on perfume before you go to bed. Not for anyone else to notice, but because you deserve to feel like a woman in love with her own life. It's taking time to light a candle, brush your hair slowly, arrange flowers in your kitchen. These aren't silly things. These are feminine rituals that anchor you to your softness. So many women are burnt out, disconnected, angry, because they've been told that softness is a waste of time. But healing begins in these tiny, elegant rituals. Start small, even 5 minutes a day, and notice how your heart begins to return home. Section 9. You are not made to compete with men. One of the greatest lies we've been sold is that we must compete in a man's world by becoming like them. But feminine strength is not found in mirroring masculinity. It's found in balancing it. In a chaotic, rushed, hyper-competitive world, feminine energy brings calm. It brings harmony. It brings healing. You don't need to outshout anyone to be heard. You don't need to harden yourself to be respected. Real femininity isn't about dominance. It's about discernment, and the world is craving that right now. Section 10. Dressing like a grown woman, not a lost girl. It may sound harsh to some, but someone needs to say it with love. We are grown women, and it's time we start dressing like it. Not like rebellious teens trying to shock the world, not like exhausted souls hiding in sweatpants and oversized hoodies every day, not like caricatures of hotness sold to us on social media, but like women who know who they are. Because when we abandon elegance, we don't just change our clothes, we lower our standards. Our posture changes, our standards for relationships change, even our expectations for how we should be treated change. You're not a girl playing dress up anymore, you are a woman. A soft, wise, powerful woman. Let your wardrobe reflect that. Section 11, the quiet rebellion of softness. Choosing to be feminine in today's world is a quiet rebellion, because when you choose softness over sarcasm, grace over gossip, elegance over chaos, you're breaking the pattern. You're saying, I don't need to shout to matter, I don't need to hustle to be worthy, and I don't need to dress like I've given up on myself to be real. You can be soft and strong. You can be gentle and powerful. You can be elegant and deeply rooted. This is the new era of womanhood, rooted in essence, not ego. Section 12, femininity is a spiritual anchor. Let's go deeper. Femininity is more than personality or fashion. It is spiritual every time you light a candle and pray. Every time you wrap yourself in a soft robe and whisper a blessing over your home. Every time you speak life over your children or walk with dignity through heartbreak. You are embodying a holy kind of beauty. That's why this return matters. Because when women return to their true essence, the entire atmosphere shifts. Homes heal, relationships flourish, hearts soften, and heaven draws near. This isn't a phase, it's restoration. Section 13, passing femininity to the next generation. Here's the most beautiful part of your feminine journey. It's not just for you. Every time you choose elegance over chaos, grace over performance, beauty over bitterness, you're showing the next generation of girls what's possible. You're telling your daughter, your niece, your students, that being feminine is not outdated. It's not weak. It's not wrong. It's powerful. It's timeless. It's needed. Let's be the women we wish we had growing up. Let's be the ones who changed the narrative. Let's be the ones who said, come back. There's still beauty. There's still grace. And you still belong.